One way to make your stickers durable and won't fade through time is by cold laminating your stickers, especially if you are using an inkjet printer, or some might call it home printers. Cold laminate your printed stickers using a laminating machine. Actually, you can cold laminate them manually using a squeegee, but if you want a seamless way, you can use a laminating machine, as using a squeegee will require practice and skill. So, I have here my laminating machine. I will plug the machine and press the cold setting. For cold setting, there is no need to wait for the ready button to light up, as it is not using any heat from the machine to prepare. So we can start feeding the machine by the time we turn it on. I have here my printed A4 sticker sheet with the sticker design. Uncut, since I will be using a cutting machine. I personally use silhouette machine. Maybe some of you use Cricut machine, which is fine also. And I have here my A4 holographic cold laminate ready. I also have my vinyl squeegee on the side to help me prep the initial step. I peel off around 1 inch of the cold laminate on top and paste it on the sticker paper with the help of a vinyl squeegee to position it properly and making sure that there will be no bubbles. If you don't have a squeegee, you can use any card you have there, just to make sure the cold laminate is placed properly with the help of the card. Then, I will insert it all the way on the feeding part of the laminating machine. Once the machine pulls the sticker paper, I will let go of the sticker paper below and I will pull out slowly the backing of the cold laminate sheet. We will wait until the machine finishes. And there you have it. Bubbles-free and seamless way of cold laminating your stickers. You are now ready for the next step, which is cutting, using a machine or using scissors. Hope you learned and liked this video. Do like and subscribe to the channel for more sticker and paper supply tips and ideas.